So, hi everyone. Today I'm gonna explain what is potential distillation and how it works. Before this, you need to know what is distillation. Distillation is the process of separating the element in a liquid by vaporization or condensation. In the process, the alcohol was separated from fermented liquid. And there are two types of distillation, that is potential distillation and pattern still distillation, which is also called a column still distillation. What is pot still distillation? Pot still distillation is the oldest method of distillation, and most of the finest spirits are made by using pot still distillation. Pot still distillation is also called a batch process. This means that the still has to be emptied and cleaned at the end of every distillation. So you can see the picture of pot still distillation, where you can see the big onion shape of copper pot. This is a copper pot and a steel head, and this is a kettle of copper, and this is the furnace or container that is heated to a very high temperature. And this is a swan neck, like vapor will pass through this pipe and go to the condenser. What is this condenser means? This type of condenser is full of cold water that is constantly being refreshed. These all are refilled with the cold water that constantly being refreshed. The vapor passes through the coil metal tube and condense back to a liquid. Here you can see the pot which contain fermented liquid and heated with the heat source furnace. I explained you about the furnace. This is a heat source, and the boiling point of the alcohol is 78.37 degrees Celsius, and the water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. So it contains the fermented liquid, so it contains like water and the alcohol. So the boiling point of alcohol is 78.37 degrees Celsius and the water is 100 degrees Celsius. So it is easier to separate the alcohol from the fermented liquid by heating. Once the fermented liquid reaches the 78 degrees Celsius, it start boiling and start vaporizing, and this vapor will pass through the swan's neck. Once the vapor pass through the swan's neck, it will come in contact with the cold water in this condenser, which contain the cold water, and it changes into a liquid and comes out from this pipe. From this pipe, this liquid is called a distilled spirit. So this process is called a pot still distillation. So this is the picture of pot still